Ain't nobody looking up this. Advanced study tips. How to study better. It's a hack. So right there, it's a hack. Thing is, you need to figure out the hack. The thing is like a hack is what?
Like to get you going to do it.
Going to do it easier, not a long way. So possibly a hack of reading the book may not be reading the whole book from the front to the back. It may be scanning. You don't know the hack because ain't nobody telling you. Teachers just say read this, you read the book. You pick up on techniques, you're gonna be better in advance because ain't nobody doing it. So it may be reading the table of contents, taking notes on that, and picking out the most important chapters to get the fundamentals of it, and then boom, you're done. You just get the book like, damn, I don't want to read this, and don't read it. That's because you don't know how to hack your way through because you ain't been looking at the tips. Look how many views he got. This is a college dude, he figured it out. It's a system and everything. We just don't know it because don't nobody tell us. We busy, we little boys, we active, we need to do stuff, we need to be active, so your interest need to be in creating content, working on my channel, working on my designs, working on this. If you don't, you're gonna get in trouble because you need to be busy with stuff. The thing is that you need to go back home once you start getting rocking and rolling and say, man, look, I'm designing stuff, I need a computer. Man, I need to start my channel. My phone ain't really working, it's recording. Look at what I got. Here go some computers, or here go Mr. Collins. This is what he doing. I need to create this content, okay? So it's asking for the right stuff because it's an investment.